What's up guys, welcome to yet another video, and today's one is really fun. So as you see, I'm locked in my house in Mumbai. We can't really step out because obviously the cases of corona are so high, so we are just like staying indoors. Guys, stay indoors, don't go out for any other reason. And today I decided to talk about my subscription box. I'm not really sure how many of you guys actually know what a subscription box is, or how many of you guys have already had a subscription box before. So this is a concept that's been very popular in the West, and it's slowly catching on in India. This is a cool trend. So I'm going to talk to you about it. What is a subscription box, how you can get one, and pretty much everything that I can tell you, and why I think it's so important for you to kind of have one in your life. This is also a great gifting option, and there's this Indian company called Mestamore which is doing these really cool subscription boxes. From where I got this one, I'm going to show it to you right now. So let me start by asking you, what is a subscription box? This is just like how when you subscribe for a magazine or a newspaper or a newsletter or anything, or even for a YouTube channel. You basically go on this website or on this service, and you pay a subscription fee, and every month or 2 months, whatever is the frequency that you decide, you get this curated box where they pick a whole bunch of goodies and put inside. So at the end of, like, when you receive it, you're literally getting a surprise every month with some really cool stuff inside, which I think is really nice. Now what happens with Mestamore is they have a website. You can go online. I'm going to show it to you right now. And they start by asking you your preferences in terms of your clothes, your shirt size, your body type, your waist size, your weight, your height, and everything. So they try to figure out what you like and what's your body type, and every month they, based on your preferences, they put together these really cool things. So I'm going to show you what I have in today's box. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a box like this. Okay, so starting with a lovely notebook. So I think they figured out that I love notebooks. So my paperclip, they've got really good quality notebooks. They know grooming products always welcome. Old-fashioned beard oil from Beardo. So this is really nice. I like the fact that they have kind of put together this Socks Soho, designed in New York, made in India. So I've got a pair of socks, and what I think is really cool, especially for the guys at Mestamore, is that they are doing a lot of homegrown brands. So here you can discover literally brands that are doing this really cool stuff, and I love this. Giving my business to local brands. Oops, I must not drop this. Giving my business to local brands, I just love it. So for me, I think it's really special to be able to discover what new guys are doing, and that's really nice. Then I've got this little packet. What do we have in the packet? Outback is a leather brand, once again a homegrown brand, which is really cool. And they sent me this beautiful wallet. I think it's really nice. It's so chic and small and really nice for gifting. And finally, the most important part is clothes. What have they sent? Okay, so this brand, guys, is called Snob, Son of a Noble. Based in Delhi. Very cool brand. And they've sent across these white pants. Oops, let me open them. These pants, you can see the finish and the fabric. It's really gorgeous. And finally, the same brand, Son of a Noble, has sent across this beautiful navy kurta. It's so beautiful. Look at it, guys. So yes, that's pretty much what I can tell you about my subscription box that I got this month, and I think it's really cool. I'm going to show you, I'm going to flip the camera and show you how you can go about and order your subscription box as well. So guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the website of what it's like to customize your own subscription box. So I'm on the Mestamore website. I've got like a box for you and a box for him. So I've got a box for you. Let's start. So they're going to ask me a couple of questions. There's my name, there's my birthday. Tell us why. To go beyond comfort, style, and to discover unique brands which are under your radar. Okay, next. Then they ask you stuff like size, which is height, shirt size, waist size, weight, preferred fitting. Then they ask you questions like slim, typical athletic heavy set, indulgence box, which is like 15,000 bucks, which has about 5 to 7 handpicked items. Okay, and then there's the essentials box, which has got 3 to 5 handpicked items that cater to every day, which is at about 5,000 rupees. Once a month, once in 2 months, you can choose your frequency. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I really liked doing this little unboxing for you and telling you about my new subscription box at home. So I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget, leave me a comment, and of course, till my next video.